Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano accompaniment Forever Young by Alphaville. It's almost more or less the same chord progression all the way through. I've left where you can access the full chords and lyrics in the description, and I'll just sing to act as a reference point. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of C major, so we're just going to be using all of the white keys. Here is middle C as a reference point. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand is blue and right hand is orange on the screen there. So we'll start with the intro. So again, really just playing the chords. The first chord is C major, and they're specifically in these inversions. So C in the left hand, in the right hand that's G, C and E, so second inversion. I'm going to hold that for 2 beats. 1, 2. The next chord is G major, so G in the left hand, and then root position of G major in the right hand, so that's G, B and D. Hold for 2 beats. And then we have A minor in second inversion, so A in the left hand, and in the right hand that's E, A, C. Hold for 2 beats. And then the next chord is F major, F in the left hand. In the right hand you're just going to bring this E in to F, root position of F major. So I'll just play what we've done so far. So we have C major first, G major, A minor, F major, then we go back to G major again, and then we have D minor. So we're going to play D in the left hand, and in the right hand we have first inversion of D minor, so that's F, A and D. 1, 2. We play F major again. 1, 2. And then A minor again for 1. And then G major again for 1. So I'll do all of that. And we just play this chord progression through once for the intro, and then 3 times for the first verse. So I'm just going to play this from the intro to the end of this verse. But expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young and let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in the sandpit, life is a short trip, the music's for a sad man. Can you imagine when the race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun, praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played for the madman forever. Okay, so now we're into the chorus part. It's incredibly similar chord progression. So now I might repeat the chords twice in the right hand, so play it twice like this, but keep the left hand note held down. So C major, G major, A minor, F major, G major, D minor, F major. And it's here where it's slightly different. We play G sus4. So G sus4 is G, C and D. I'm just going to play that once and then turn the C to a B, which just gives us G major. So we repeat that chord progression twice, and then there's a little bit on at the end, which I'll teach you now. So it's C major, G major, and then it's F over G, which is F major but a G in the left hand, just once, and then G major. So So that bit's fairly quick, so 2 beats for C, 1 beat for G, and then 2 quick beats for the F over G back to the G. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'll just demonstrate this chorus now then. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, let me know if you're enjoying this video and how you're getting on with learning this lesson so far in the comments section below. I love chatting to you all. Please give the like button a press. Make sure that you are subscribed so I can keep on making these free tutorials for you. Hit bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in learning how to read music, I have an entire book, and that is linked below where you can purchase that on Amazon, and I also teach this in a full video course as well, so that's linked down below for you as well. You can go and check out the free preview. So let's continue. And now into the next verse, which we're just going to play exactly the same as the first verse. Summer like water, summer like the heat, summer like a melody and summer the beat. Sooner or later they will be gone. Why don't they stay on? It's so hard to get on without a cause. I don't want to perish like a fading rose. Used like a diamond in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs couldn't happen today. So many dreams are swinging out of the blue, and let them come true. So for this final chorus, the first part is exactly the same. We almost repeat that 3 times. We just don't have the G sus to the G. So I'll just demonstrate this chorus now then. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever and ever and ever? Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever, 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 forever young? I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? And then the outro, we're not obviously going to look at this solo, but the chords are on the screen and it just fades out. But I'm just going to play it through twice, and then I'm going to end it on C major so it sounds more finished. So the chords are on the screen, so again it's basically the same chord progression. The end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.